Let me start with a truth most YouTube videos won't tell you. YouTube growth is slow. Painfully slow, especially at the beginning. If you're expecting fast results, viral success, or overnight growth, this video might disappoint you. But if you want the real timeline, the one that actually matches what most creators experience, then this video will save you months of confusion, frustration, and self-doubt. In this video, I'm breaking down how long YouTube growth really takes, what happens in each phase of growth, why most people quit too early, and how to know if you're actually on the right track, even with low views. This isn't motivational fluff. This is a realistic roadmap. Let's start by talking about why YouTube feels so slow at the beginning. Section 1. Why YouTube growth feels broken at first. When you first start YouTube, it feels like you're invisible. You upload, you refresh, you wait, and nothing happens. No views, no comments, no subscribers. This is normal. Here's why. YouTube does not know who you are yet. It doesn't trust your content. It doesn't understand your audience. So instead of pushing your videos out, YouTube quietly observes. It watches who clicks, how long they stay, if they come back, if they interact. At the start, you don't have data, so YouTube can't confidently recommend you. This is why growth feels unfair early on. It's not personal. It's not punishment. It's probation. You are in the testing phase, and most creators quit right here. Here's something most people don't realize. If you're getting low views right now, that does not mean your content is bad. It usually means YouTube doesn't understand you yet. And that brings us to the first real phase of growth. Section 2. Phase 1. The discovery phase, months 0 to 3. This phase is brutal. You'll likely experience 0 to 50 views per video, slow subscriber growth, silence in the comments, doubt about whether it's working. In this phase, your job is not to grow fast. Your job is to learn how to title videos, practice thumbnails, improve your delivery, understand what people respond to. This is where YouTube studies you. It asks, what kind of creator is this? Who should see these videos? Are people satisfied when they click? The biggest mistake here is obsessing over numbers. The real metric that matters in phase 1 is learning speed. If every video is slightly better than the last, you're winning, even if nobody is watching yet. Section 3. Phase 2. The testing phase, month 3 to 6. This is where things start to feel confusing. Some videos might suddenly get 200 views, 500 views, maybe even 1,000 views, and others still flop. This phase messes with your emotions. You start asking, why did this one work? Why did that one fail? Am I doing something wrong? What's happening is YouTube is testing your content with small groups. It shows your video to a few viewers, then a few more, then stops if performance drops. This is not random. It's feedback. Your job in this phase is to identify patterns. Ask yourself, what topics get clicks? Which thumbnails perform better? Where do people stop watching? This is the phase where strategy starts to matter. Now here's the part that surprises most people. Many creators think they've failed at this stage, when they're actually closer to growth than they realize. Because the next phase changes everything. Section 4. Phase 3. The momentum phase, month 6 to 12. This is where YouTube starts to trust you. Not fully, but enough to give you chances. You may notice more consistent views, returning viewers, people recognizing your name, a few videos outperforming the rest. This phase is about consistency plus clarity. YouTube now understands your niche, your audience, what problem you solve. This is when one good video can lift the rest of your channel. But here's the catch. Momentum is fragile. If you disappear, if you randomly change topics, if you stop uploading, momentum fades. This phase rewards creators who keep showing up even when results aren't massive yet. Section 5. Why most people quit too early. Most people quit YouTube right before growth. Not because they're lazy, but because they misinterpret silence as failure. They think, no one cares. I'm wasting my time. I'm not cut out for this. But growth doesn't announce itself. It creeps in quietly. Most successful creators will tell you. Their channel looked dead until it wasn't. The people who win are not the most talented. They're the most patient. So the real question isn't, how fast can I grow? The real question is, can I stay consistent long enough for growth to find me? Let's talk about realistic expectations. Section 6. What realistic growth actually looks like. Here's a realistic timeline for most creators. 0 to 3 months. Learning, experimenting, low views. 3 to 6 months. Occasional spikes, confusion, testing. 6 to 12 months. Momentum, clarity, steady improvement. Some grow faster, some slower, but almost nobody skips the early stages. And that's okay. YouTube is not a sprint. It's not even a marathon. It's a compounding system. Every video teaches YouTube more about you. Every upload builds trust. Every improvement stacks. Section 7. How to know you're on the right path. Here are signs you're doing well, even with low views. Your retention is improving. Some people watch multiple videos. You're getting comments from strangers. You understand your niche better. Your confidence on camera is growing. These are invisible wins. And they matter more than views early on. Here is the final truth. Growing on YouTube takes time. Not because you're bad, but because YouTube rewards proof, not potential. If you're still here, still uploading, still improving, you're already ahead of most people. If this video helped you, comment below. How long have you been on YouTube so far? And if you want more honest, realistic creator advice, subscribe. We're building this slowly, but we're building it right. See you in the next video.